All right, so my name is Village Boy. Thank you so much for making time with us. And today, the lady I'm sitting here right with, she's going to be asking me random questions. All right, she's a YouTuber, EfyaKimora on YouTube.
Wow.
So subscribe to her YouTube channel and be part of her awesome family where she takes you around the world, around Africa, around Ghana. She's here in AkumersuYiti. This is her first time, bro. So you're welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you guys. Hi, I'm EfyaKimora, as he said, and I am a YouTuber, a travel vlogger, vlogging like traveling the world, traveling Ghana, and traveling Africa. So actually, I'm a Ghana travel vlogger, hoping to travel Africa and definitely travel the world as well.
Exactly.
And today I'm here in AkumersuYiti, Village Boys Village. Yeah,
You.
He has been preaching mostly about his village, and I said, okay, then I have to visit him. I'm from Kumasi in the Ashanti region of Ghana. So I took it upon myself to maybe like pay him a surprise. He didn't believe that I'll be coming, and definitely I'm here, and he still don't believe that I'm here, but I'm here. So I'm here to ask him like a few questions that he has been preaching about his village. He preached mostly about potable water, good road network leading to the village for the farmers to convey their foodstuffs to the city to sell as well, and also telecommunication. Since I came here, I haven't been able to reach my family and friends. Nobody knows that I'm here in AkumersuYiti. Yeah. Yiti. Okay, so what question? Your question is, Village Boy, if somebody is to come here and support you right now, what is your most priority thing that the person can do to support this family, that the whole community, that the whole community will be very much appreciated?
Alright, so like you said, here it's a farming community, so our number one priority will be the road network. So if there's
the road network, I think it's a whole thing.
Yeah, it's a whole thing. So the road network is mostly affecting us because of, according to the assembly member, he told us that there are other NGOs who wanted to come here to give us potable water, but because of the road network, their cars could not even commute from them.
So where is the road leading to? Where and where?
That is where the street we walked before we got here.
So where is it leading to, like a town? Where is it leading to?
It's connect to Aksesawa.
Yeah. Okay, so if that road is properly constructed for you guys, it will be very, very much appreciated.
Much appreciated.
Wow, and I think this is not a small job.
Yeah, it's not a small job.
Wow. So he's pleading to the whole country, the government, to the MCA, the ministers, to this place to come and actually to this community. And also your second is
our second priority will be the telecommunication network.
Yeah, sure. At least, even if you are here in the village, you should be able to communicate with somebody.
Exactly.
Maybe far away. Actually, he went to the farm this morning. His father showed him something to do with, but when he got there, we were not able to find that thing. So what is next? If you are to be somewhere that you have a telecommunication network, what do you call it? The next thing that you have to do, or the most important thing that you have to do when you can't find something, is to call. Yeah. So if you can't find a thing here, or if you can't find anybody, or you have to communicate to anybody here in this community, you have to walk to. It's not just it's not a small walk, because where we walk from the house to go and fetch water, where we walk to attend church, and where we walk to this place is quite far. So if telecommunication is here, if you can communicate to somebody, I think you can rest, or you can
really help businesses grow.
Yeah, help businesses. Maybe if you want to call somebody from the farm, if you have to say, well, you need your customer is here and you need him to transport something to you, I think calling is good. And maybe if you are here and your children are away from you, maybe in the school, calling them is right. You have to walk the whole distance to get a network. We work here to access network, but actually Mine is not coming. His came like 1 bar, and it's not even stable. Yeah. And what again? The third one is.
So the third one will be electricity.
Yeah.
Electricity is very important.
There is no light here. Wow.
Light.
No light here in this 21st century. No light. What?
No electricity. So
no electricity.
You can't charge your cell phone. No one,
Our phones are dying.
Watch television, whatsoever. So
yeah.
It's so difficult for the people. And
even for children.
They can't learn at night.
Yeah, children to learn at night. Students to see what is going. Now everything is social media. If you don't have phone to charge, if you don't have electricity to charge your phone, even charging the phone, as we said, telecommunication. How can you charge your phone without service?
So I think these two things go hand in hand.
Yeah, it goes hand in hand.
Yes,
and last one, another one is
we have this one. I think healthcare.
Healthcare, no healthcare. Come to think of it.
Chief Compound will do us a great favor here, because I interacted with one woman and I asked whether they don't fall sick here. And she revealed to me that they fall sick. So meaning that to fall sick is inevitable. It can come at any time. So the best thing for us to, at least for our leaders to do for us, is to provide us with chief compounds.
So like what if somebody's pregnant? What do you do?
And that is one of the
you have
challenges.
A local somebody who.
And we have some people who have the midwives, local ones, but yes, still it's difficult. It's a big challenge for this community, because getting access to healthcare is far, and then the route is in a deplorable state. Everything. So it's only God that if you have conceived or something.
I didn't even think of that, because healthcare, there is no hospital here.
Yeah, so it's pretty much.
And actually, their school, we are here in the school. As I said, we are here in front of what do you call it, teachers' bungalow. And they say they have one. What do you say? No, you tell them. 1.5 teacher.
So we don't say teachers. We have 1.5 teacher.
And the school is from what class to what class?
From KG to class 6. And then even you can imagine if it is only one class, like let's say KG, we still have various subjects.
Yeah.
Right? So if one teacher is supposed to be taking charge of the entire subject, it's pretty much difficult. So I think it will be more appropriate if we have the teachers in their numbers.
No, so what is it? Is it that when they post them here, they don't come, or they post them here, but when they come to see that there is no electricity and telecommunication network, they go up? So what is actually their problem? The teachers?
We presume that it is because of the challenges we are facing here. That is lack of electricity, telecommunication network, potable water. But according to the assembly member for Social Contradonko, electoral area in a person of Honorable Felix Nova, he revealed to us that some of them, when they post them here, they report but when they return, like they go back, they don't come here again. So no one knows what's actually the problem. So they are here to find out from the district.
Then I think it's the same problem you people are facing here. That's why it's pushing them away.
We are very sure about that.
Like, please show them the school. I want you to turn the camera and just show them the school. They have a beautiful school, but no teachers. Wow. 1.5 teacher. It's not just this one. It's like in the form of a compound school. So they have some over there, like
U-shaped.
Yeah, a U shape. Yeah, something like that.
So that is that. Wow. So things are pretty difficult here, and if you are not determined, you can't actually proceed in
So
life.
about the potable water, what's like, do you need a borehole, or you need a pipe, the one that you do it, or in any
form, which is going to be potable, something safe, something drinkable for the members. I think we are good to go.
So how big is the village?
It stretches, as you can see. Like I told you, that this where we are seated right now is the middle of AkumersuYiti.
It's the middle, but guys, you walk like far away from the end. So you're telling me that here is the middle, so maybe you can walk walk like 30 minutes too. More than 30 minutes.
More than 30 minutes if you are not fast.
It's more than half an hour to this place.
So the population is approximately 500 people, and even more. We are not.
Okay. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you have to end it.
All right, so thank you so much for making time with us. And this is a village boy with EfyaKimora.
Yeah.
Thank you for staying.
Bye.